Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes. Today we're going to have a quick look at minor and diminished chords on the B-flat clarinet. I'm going to be playing in the key of G here today on the B-flat clarinet, so that's F concert. Let's start with a G minor chord, 1, 3 flat 5 from a G major scale. So the three notes are G, B flat and D. That's a G minor chord. Now a G diminished chord is only a one note change from the minor. We have to flatten the fifth note as well as the third note. So the formula for a diminished chord is 1, 3 flat, 5 flat. In the key of G, G, B flat, D flat. It's great to swap those two chord families around. In other words, to practice on your instrument a chord change that goes from minor to diminished, back to minor, back to diminished. Like this. Now we'll learn the four-note version of both of those chord families now. If we want to harmonise a minor chord to four notes, we end up with a minor seventh. And the rule is 1, 3 flat 5, the same as we worked out how to play a G minor chord. But the additional note is 7 flat. So in the key of G, the seventh note would be F sharp, but we have to lower that F sharp by a semitone. We end up playing F natural. G, B flat, D and F is a G minor seventh chord. Now, if we want to play a G diminished seventh chord, we have to add in a fourth note, and that note actually is a 7 double flat, because the seventh note in music is always a flat, unless they tell you otherwise. For example, a G major seventh chord, not a G seventh chord, a G major seventh chord would be 1, 3, 5, 7, G, B, D, F sharp. A beautiful sounding chord. A G diminished seventh chord is 1, 3 flat, 5 flat, 7 double flat. The seventh note was already flattened, so when we diminish that seventh note, we have to flatten it again. 7 double flat, or the sixth note in the scale. Okay, so the 7 flat note was F natural. The 7 double flat note will be E, just normal E. So G, B flat, D flat and E are the four notes that make up a G diminished seventh chord. Another really useful and interesting sounding chord. I recommend that you start by finding the minor and the diminished and the minor seventh and the diminished seventh chords in an easy key on your instrument. And once you get confident in one key, start experimenting with other keys. If we were playing an A minor seventh chord, the notes would be A, C, E and G. If we were playing an A diminished seventh chord, the notes would be A, C, E flat and G flat. You can have a lot of fun and build up some good technique and some good theoretical knowledge by having fun on minor and diminished chords and minor seventh and diminished seventh. Have some fun with that. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.